Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials. Ensure your microphone is plugged in and working with another app, then open Windows settings and grant microphone access so apps can use it. Once done, launch Zoom and go to Settings, Audio. Choose the microphone device Zoom should use and make sure it is not muted. You do this because permission blocks or wrong device selection are the fastest causes. Addressing them first saves time and avoids deeper fixes later. Next, refine audio routing and drivers. Open the sound control panel and set the correct microphone as default communication device, then disable any ghost devices that can confuse Zoom. You should adjust the input level and boost so Windows hears you at a healthy volume, and confirm enhancements are off to avoid distortion. If problems persist, update or reinstall the audio driver from Device Manager and reboot. Driver mismatches. To finish, run Zoom's test mic and then join a meeting to verify your voice is transmitted. Make sure Zoom shows input levels moving when you speak. If the mic still fails, run Windows Recording Audio Troubleshooter to detect common configuration issues, and if needed, reinstall Zoom to reset its internal settings. One key troubleshooting tip: create a temporary Windows user or test with another app. If the mic works elsewhere, the issue is app-specific. That narrows your next steps quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.